Hi guys, how to remove recommended videos and channels from YouTube. Now scroll through your YouTube homepage and find the video or channel you're tired of seeing in your recommendations. You know the one, and here's exactly how to make it disappear for good. Hover over the video and click the three vertical dots in the bottom right corner, just below the thumbnail and timestamp. Watch closely because this tiny menu is your secret weapon. To remove only that specific video from your feed, select Not Interested from the menu. Instant relief, and YouTube will learn what you actually like. Want to stop seeing all videos from that specific channel forever? Select Don't Recommend channel instead. This is the step most people miss, and it's a total game changer. Made a mistake or clicked the wrong video? Don't panic. A notification will pop up, allowing you to click Undo and bring the recommendation right back. Hit subscribe for more YouTube tips that actually work.